What if the job you have today became obsolete in just 5 years? The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here, rewriting the rules of the global economy. By 2030, analysts estimate AI could be a $100 trillion industry. Are you ready for the quantum leap? Welcome to Quantum Leap, where we explore the future of innovation. Today, we're diving into the 5 most disruptive AI predictions that will redefine life, wealth, and power by 2030. Prediction 1. The omnipresent AI assistant forgets Siri and Alexa. By 2030, everyone will have a highly specialized AI assistant, your cognitive co-pilot, managing 90% of your administrative life. This AI won't just schedule meetings, it'll attend them, negotiate contracts, and even manage your personal investments, allowing you to focus solely on your creativity. Prediction 2. The personalized medicine revolution. AI is transforming medicine from reactive treatment to predictive personalization. We foresee a world where AI constantly monitors biological data and predicts potential diseases years before they manifest. It will prescribe custom synthesized drugs designed specifically for your DNA. Cancer screenings become obsolete. The disease is detected before it appears. Prediction 3. The decentralization of design and architecture. Within the next 5 years, AI will become the primary architect. Imagine a world where you describe a functional, energy-efficient building, and AI designs the blueprint, calculates materials, and manages the robotic construction crew. This will rapidly reduce housing costs and create hyper-optimized smart cities, powered entirely by AI-managed renewable energy grids. Prediction 4. The end of Google's search conversational era. The traditional search engine is disappearing. By 2030, the internet will be dominated by generative search. Instead of receiving a list of links, you'll simply ask your AI to compile and synthesize complex information into a single, comprehensive answer or creative result. This shift will fundamentally transform how we learn and consume digital content. Prediction 5. AI is a new investment asset class. Today, we invest in stocks. Tomorrow, we invest in AI models. We predict the rise of specialized AI software that investors can license or purchase for enormous competitive advantages. The ability to own or train a super AI for trading, logistics, or resource allocation will become the new symbol of elite wealth. The $100 trillion opportunity in AI is waiting. But the leap requires vision. Which of these predictions do you think will come true first? Tell us in the comments if you're ready to be at the cutting edge of future technology. Subscribe and hit the bell. This is Quantum Leap, and we'll see you in the future.